Jollibee, SM, Megaworld, San Miguel Ayala, and a lot more. Do you want to be one of the owners of these companies and earn part of their income? Well, let's talk about that. But before that, please like on this video, subscribe on this channel, and click the bell button. I am Rhea Bersamin, a certified public accountant and a financial educator. Ang online trading is just one of the amazing benefits of being an IMG member. Kung wala pa kayong idea what IMG is all about, you may click this link on the description and comments below. You may also check on other IMG related videos on this channel. Now, I will discuss step by step how to apply online trading. Okay, so first, login muna tayo sa ating IMG portal at img-corp.com. Log in your agent code and password and click forget password if you haven't received. Then, once may access na tayo, enter lang natin and then click login. Then, makikita natin sa dashboard, merong My Trade. So, click lang natin yung icon na yan. So, ito, sample details. Automatic na yan sa system. Then, select kayo ng amount kung magkano yung gusto nyong i-deposit for trading. Minimum deposit is 10,000. Ito na yung initial investment natin. Any amount will do as long as hindi bababa sa 10,000. Please take note to put Rampver-IMG in the referrer field. Then click natin tong register to my trade. So ayan, input nyo lang yung preferred username and password. Make sure to log this in your notes para hindi nyo makalimutan. Choose a hint or challenge question to answer in case you forgot your password. Here, fill up lang natin yung needed fields. Again, please don't forget to put Rampver-IMG sa referrer field. Hihingan tayo ng data ng ating valid IDs and then ating bank account. Kasi withdrawable naman to anytime, kaya any amount na i-withdraw natin, papasok dun sa bank account na sinubmit natin. So once filled up, click natin yung submit. Then, ma-receive natin sa email natin yung payment instruction and form submission. Ito yung various ways kung paano tayo magbabayad. We have online bank transfer, we have online banking, and wire transfers. So for example, I choose Metro Bank. So online banking ng Metro Bank. So ito na yung sample proof of payment. Picture lang natin yung proof of payment natin. Make sure complete yung details, especially the reference number, the date, and the time kung kailan tayo nag-transfer. Kasi importante yan para ma-verified agad yung ating proof of payment. So reply natin sa email to my trade. The signed application form. Make sure you have signed the application form. May signature cards din, 2 copies yon, and pakisign na rin yung agreement form. Then, 2 government-issued identification cards. Kailangan may 3 signatures beside the IDs. And the proof of initial deposit paid to Abacus. So once na-send na natin via email, wait na lang tayo for confirmation. Customer service will send a confirmation on your application and your trading PIN. You will also receive updates about the stocks and the economic conditions. So once ma-verify na yung payment natin, ready na tayo to trade. Sa separate video ko na din yan kasi masyadong mahaba na to. So thank you! Please share this video to your friends para makatulong tayo. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless!